Hey, thanks for tuning in. I don't have my external mic with me, but hopefully you guys can hear me okay. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable grammar and spell checking for the Brizy page builder. It might work with other page. I don't even know if Elementor supports spelling and spelling and grammar checking, etc., or breakdance or whatever. But one of the limitations I have using Brizy as a page builder, which we'll kind of edit here. Actually, let's go here, this page right here. There's no grammar or spell check. So if I change this, with Grammarly, it'll light up and tell you that this is misspelled. So here's the fix. There's currently nothing native to the Brizy tool itself. And the Grammarly extension does not work for me. Maybe it works for other people, but it does not work for me. But I do have Grammarly here because it does work with email and all kinds of other stuff. But for some reason, it doesn't work within Brizy itself. So what you need to do is Chrome extension language tool. And then it'll take you to LanguageTool.org. Then go to add to Chrome, it's free. Then add to Chrome, and it's just a normal extension, add extension. And I have so many, it gets hidden. It gets kind of stuck in this drawer. So let's let it finish. And if you need help with anything, head over to Norzer.me. We can help you out with local SEO, web hosting, web design, etc. Then click OK, got it. Start using LanguageTool. So now, just so you can see it, I'll click here. And I'll pin it. So you can see it right here. It's not necessary. You don't need to do that, but. So here's all kinds of options. You can turn it off on demand here. You can get super, super picky with it. I haven't played with that. I literally just found this out. And then there's this double click feature here. So now let's go back here. Let's refresh the page. And it looks very similar to Grammarly. Because there's nothing more annoying than working on a client site and misspelling something completely stupid. So let's change this to, you can see here, it highlighted these. So let's change step. And if you highlight it, and I noticed the correction suggestions don't seem to be as good, but at least it'll highlight if something's off. Then you can eyeball it and change it like that. And I have noticed it doesn't seem to activate until you go into the block itself. See right here? So let's see, there's nothing highlighted here. Click into it. Well, still nothing. Let's go here. See, nothing highlighted here. Watch this. Now it found these. And you can right click, oops, click, you can ignore, then you can see it ignore. So super quick tip, I hope you found this useful. Hopefully the audio is okay. This is a big time saver for me because I do a lot of websites in Brizy and I'm sick of making typos, spelling errors, and grammar mistakes. So subscribe, like, all that fun stuff. Thank you.